Pro is fantastic. Canva Pro is amazing. There are so many brilliant features in Canva Pro, but the vast majority of Canva users are on the free account. And sometimes we just want to do something very quickly. We know it's a pro feature and we think, oh yeah, okay, I do like pro, I would like to have it in the future, but not at the moment. So how do you resize a design without the magic feature in Canva? And that's what we're going to look at today. So let's head over to my screen and I will show you how to do it. Okay, so here we are in my Canva account, right? We are in my Canva account. Now I'm going to open up this design. Let's say this is a design I've created and it's an Instagram story and I want to change it to a normal Instagram square, but without the resize a magic switch button, you have to do it slightly differently. So this is the one I want to use. Okay, I'm going to go back to the home screen and I'm going to go to create a design and I'm going to find the size that I want to change it to, okay, which is an Instagram post square. This will work with any template size in Canva. So I'm going to click on Instagram post. This is my blank square and I want to put that story design into this post. So over on the left-hand side where I've got my menu, there's a projects tab. Let's click on the projects tab. And at the top, you can access your folders, your images, your videos. You've got everything here. We want to go to the designs tab. So this will then bring up all of my designs that I have created in my Canva account. Now we need to find the Instagram post design. To find the design I'm after, I know that I've put it into a folder. So I will click on folders. If it's just a design you've created and you know it's just in your Canva general file, it will be in this section here. But I know I've added this into a folder. So let me go to my folder, click designs, and I will find, there it is, my Instagram story post. If I click on it, it adds it straight into my template. Now you saw it came up slim because it's a story post and it has stretched my background to fill the design, but everything is still in this small section here. So this is the simplest way to get a design you have into another size in Canva, but you need to change some things very quickly. So you open up a new template in the size you want, you go to your projects tab, you click designs if it's just in your general folder, or you go to your folders and find the design you want to move into it. And once you've clicked on it, you then need to move some of these elements around. So for example, this here, this square or oblong here, I want to have it at the side. The words new blog post, I want to have in the corner, and I'll pop my circle more in the corner. So I'm just adjusting things very slightly. I've got the mobile phone here. I actually want to make it a bit bigger, so I will extend the size. And then I've got these three boxes here, which I will move over and I will just extend the size of my mobile phone a bit more. And there you have your design, how you want it, the easiest way to move one design into another size. You still have that Instagram story size, but now you've got an Instagram post size as well. But like I say, it will put it in the same place as the original design. So you just need to move things around to fill the template and to make it look right. But that is the easiest way to do it. There you go. What did you think? That question came up in a couple of the groups I'm in, and I thought this is a really good opportunity to help people who are on the free account be able to resize different designs in their account without having to have the pro feature. Like I say, pro is amazing. And if you do feel you need to have pro, please do try it. I have an affiliate link in the comments, which gives you a 30-day free trial. So if it's not for you, you can always go back to the free version. So that's it from me today. Thank you for watching.